CJ Asian Cosmetics Center, in collaboration with Bethany Hospital Shillong, brings you a one-day CJ Cosmetic Surgery Camp on May 29th from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Procedures include eyelid surgery, rhinoplasty, dimple creation, lip reduction, and more by expert hands. Call 9863-159-229 today.
Da gajing sokya halor kajing yaja gajing shlei hak shnong per kabla pinsertok tangi kinong shong shnong nreki kena school bat gibor penyat jong St. Jude Secondary School. Hak arpenyo trek jemang hajar arpusan UMLA Kejirang constituency ubat sostenes sotun lembat gibor penyat district gibor ka NHAI bat PWD lalit banjurep gikat to kenetili gibentai ke bakongsan kabla penolong ya kani gajing shlei banja kani shnong. Hagani kejing net jurep jong UMLA lasenran langru du Deputy Commissioner ke District Ribhoi Abilash Baranwal ke ADC Ikong Balakenti Urani Engineer ketenat PWD ba Ajil Lendem bat kibor jong ke NHAI. Hagani kejing jurep igi benta jong lesnong omper bat ke benta jong School St. Jude lasem ba kejing shlei kelaja tang namar kejing bambiang kinala pentoj kamtam ki pipe banjam nak surok National Highway ke Bahan Riau bak kantut sesiliang ke surok ba ke badai kaliang jong ke Asan. Habakran ni kidong thok kubor ba sustenance sotun ulapan pa gijing sokya ke bajor bagani gijing kalapan jenjar ki pat ba bakla juja man bajor uslap ke baktash kada ki pat ba nong shnong ko umper bat ki kena skol. Wala gijing jurep ban watlat kumno ban bangeng gijing layai penlong man la kepor. Ulong ru badai halor kenong rem ban penduk pendam no sendan dengan gejing balakot sendan digibor badai kemi jong district Ribhoi ki officer na ketenat PWD bat NHAI ban jurep ban tau kilat ban weng dengan gejing uba sostenes sotun ulong ba ensathok rekshiti syau menteri rang ba kejela ban kerpat yu ban wat lem kilat ban weng dengan gejing Nagaliang Deputy Commissioner ke District Ribhoi Abilash Baranwal ulong ru ban nagaliang gibor penya district labatha ru gibor penya jong St. Jude Secondary School ban ai de gejing tho hakabede begejing jular balamat de school namar gejing shlei hakaba an batha apat gibor ke disaster management ban le yakabadon kam
ka jingwan ka jongi hakane kapor kalong ba ngidon da kejing sngokia nadu I Deputy Commissioner ngilayo menekran na kapor sakapor agaba iru idon ne kejing sokia bani kejing ja kejing long jingman hagabde kejing ja biding ne school la kapor baslap ban ngilayo ban lej ban inspect ketika outlet ketika main road jong ka national highway ban ngilai ba idon ka jing ko lane kata ka jingruna hagarukom ba ka kanya ba kunyo ban lej freely lane easily da kanya dag basuk but ngilayo ban ni penpau hakmat jong ka NHAI nangta I Deputy Commissioner nangta I engineer but ngikwa nakliang jonga kumunong mikmat ngakwa ba kanika solution kanlong bakila ban solve permanently namar bangilai ba man kapor nakawe kapor shakwe pat kadan sya kajing sosnai ke kena school ke bhabdu ke school kajing du ka school ya ka school authority si baro kajing julor kajing du kajungki de na kata kadaw nakaliang jungi nga kumunong mikmat kum MLA but kumju but I DC but ki nakaliang ka NHAI but I engineer but ngikwa ban wa hiba kanikakam kan long bakila ban solve no kloy nang ba onla ban pensuk bat kanum mi syu kano ka jingja hagiding shlei hakani kathan ka julong he kano gajaka nama hagia ka stream hi barobor kendawan hi bantu ke kiwara bat ka kendo lane ka jaklia ban lang but ngilayo ban ekran nata bang ngilai kerpat ya ka NHAI nangta ngilai don bat I Deputy Commissioner but nakaliang jongaro ngan sothok show honorable chief minister jongka jela ko jongi but nakliang jonga kerpat bangan kerpat I ban yakran bat ka Assam counterpart kenang ba nginyo ban penyar ya ketika stretch jong ketika stream kenang ba ka hakaporilir kanyo ban lej dak besuk kata ketika kejing temu ka ba mangi wan ru hang ne kenang ba nginyo ban ailat ke ba ka kanyo ban lej hakalenti ka ba la ban lej bet dak ba yaj bet kenang ba kanum dan kano ka jing pushback lane ka jing phai biang jong ko dak lapoi ketika hakteki area but kini kisnong ru kala sakta he do kata namar bai kini kisnong hakapor ke memswa kilong kisnong kibam juyo banyo mat ketika jing shlei bat menta kene ke snong ro kelakta hado kata tengi bu ro e ke jengkerpat bang ikermen kumbang ilayo benekren menta kasngi na kaliang kana hai kila kular begin penkuj bag kila kular hiba kinle aka ke badon kam knang ba kinyo ban penbek knang ba ka permanent solution on la ban penbek hak bide ba kene ka jingja jong ke jingsle hak kene ka school of St Jude bat kene ke snong her.
We are in this recurrent problem of flooding in St. Jude's School. We are trying to find out a temporary as well as a permanent solution. So we are here with all officers of disaster management, PWD and NHAI. We have inspected the site. We have discussed with NHAI. They are going to submit us a report regarding the permanent solution, how we can solve this problem for good, for eternity. But in the meanwhile, how to basically, relieve this situation temporarily. We have discussed many solutions, and very soon we are going to work on that so that at least for this season, the school should not face any problem. Whatever necessary measures have to be taken, we will ensure that they are taken so as to relieve the school of this recurrent problem. So the school has shown us that there has been quite a lot of infrastructure damage due to the persistent flooding that they encounter whenever there is heavy rain, and we have taken note of that. I'll direct my BDO to compile a report on the same, and under disaster management, disaster relief fund, we'll see how we can compensate the school so that at least part of the infrastructure can be compensated.